Hello everyone, I am Debashmita Sarkar. Today we will discuss about project based learning. So let's get started. What is project based learning? Project based learning, or also known as PBL, is a student centered pedagogy that involves a dynamic classroom approach in which it is believed that students acquire a deeper knowledge through active exploration of real world challenges and problems. Students learn about a subject by working for an extended period of time to investigate and respond to a complex question, challenge, or problem. It is a style of active learning and inquiry based learning. PBL contrast with proper based rote memorization or teacher led instruction that presents established facts or portrays a smooth path to knowledge by instead posing questions, problems, or scenarios. History of project based learning. John Dewey is recognized as one of the early proponents of project based education, or at least its principles, through his idea of learning by doing. In My Pedagogy Creed, written in 1897, Dewey enumerated his beliefs, including the view that the teacher is not in the school to impose certain ideas or to form certain habits in the child, but there as a member of the community to select the influence which shall affect the child and to assist him in properly responding to this case. For this reason, he promotes the so called expressive or constructive activities as the center of correlation. Educational research has advanced this idea of teaching and learning into a methodology known as PBL, or project based learning. William Hurt Kilpatrick built in the theory of Dewey, who has his teacher and introduced the project method as a component of Dewey's problem method of teaching. Some scholars also associated PBL with Jean Piaget's situated learning perspective and constructivity theory. Piaget advocated an idea of learning that does not focus on the memorization. Within his theory, project based learning, or PBL, is considered a method that engages students to invent and to view learning as a possessors with a future instead of acquiring knowledge based as a matter of fact. Further development of the project based education is as a pedagogy later drew that from the experience and perception based theories on education proposed by theorists such as Jan Comenius, Johann Heinrich Pestalozzi, and Maria Montessori, among others. Concept of project based learning. Thomas Markham 2011 describes project based learning thus: PBL integrates knowing and doing. Students learn knowledge and elements of the core curriculum, but also apply that they know how to solve authentic problems and produce results that matter. People students take advantage of doing tools to produce high quality collaborative products. PBL refocuses education on the student, not the curriculum, a shift mandated by the global world which rewards intangible assets such as drive, passion, creativity, empathy, and resilience. This cannot be taught out of a textbook but must be activated through experience. Bloomfield et al. Elaborate on the process of PBL. Project based learning is a comprehensive perspective focused on teaching by engaging students in investigation. Within this framework, students pursue solutions to non trivial problems by asking and refining questions, debating ideas, making predictions, designing plans and or experiments, collecting and analyzing data, drawing conclusions, communicating their ideas and finding to others, asking new questions and creating artifacts. The basis of PBL lies in the authenticity or real life application of the research. Students working as a team are given a driving question to respond to or answer, then directed to create an artifact or artifacts to present their gained knowledge. Artifacts may include a variety of medias such as writings, art, drawings, three-dimensional representations, videos, photographies, or technology-based presentations. Proponents of PBL cite numerous benefits to the implementation of its strategies in the classroom, including a greater depth of understanding of concepts, broader knowledge base, improved communication and interpersonal social skills, enhanced leadership skills, increased creativity, and improved writing skills. Another definition of PBL includes a type of instruction where students work together to solve real world problems in their schools and communities. Successful problem solving often requires students to draw on lessons from several disciplines and apply them in a very practical way. The promise of seeing a very real impact becomes the motivation of our learning. In pure evolution in blended team project based learning, what do students find important? Hai Jiang Choi in 2012 describes social loafing as a negative aspect of collaborative learning. Social loafing may include insufficient performances by some team members as well as a lowering of expected standards of performances by the group as a whole to maintain congeniality amongst members. This author said that because teachers tend to grade the finished product only, the social dynamics of the assignment may escape the teacher's notice. Structure of project based learning. Project based learning emphasizes learning activities that are long term, interdisciplinary, and student centered. Unlike traditional teacher led classroom activities, students often must organize their own work and manage their own time in a project based class. Project based instruction differs from traditional inquiry by its emphasis on students' collaborative or individual artifact construction to represent what is being learned. Project based learning also gives students the opportunities to explore problems and challenges that have real world application, increasing the possibility of long term retention of skills and concepts. Criticism of project based learning. One concern is that PBL may be inappropriate in mathematics, the reason being that mathematics is primarily skill based at the elementary level. Transforming the curriculum into an overreaching project or series of projects does not allow for necessary practice of particular mathematical skills, for instance, factoring, quadratic Quadratic expressions in elementary algebra requires extensive repetition. On the other hand, a teacher could integrate a PBL approach into a standard curriculum, helping the students see some border contexts with abstract quadratics equation may apply. For example, Newton's law implies that tossed objects follow a parabolic path and the roots of the corresponding equation correspond to the starting and ending location of the object. Another criticism of PBL is that measures that are stated as reasons for its success are not measurable using standard measurements tool and rely on subjective rubrics for assessing results. In PBL, there is also a certain tendency for the creation of the final product of the project to becoming the driving force in classroom activities. When this happens, the project can lose its content, focus, and be ineffective in helping students learn certain concepts or skills. For example, academic projects that culminate in an artistic display or exhibit may place more emphasis on artistic processes involved in creating the display than on the academic content that the project is meant to help students learn. So, with this, we came to the last slide or the last part of our video. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe.